In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can log out all devices that are linked to your WhatsApp account. Logging out linked devices on WhatsApp is crucial for safeguarding your privacy and security. By doing so, you prevent unauthorized access to your account, particularly on devices that you no longer control or have lost. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. On the settings page, select onto this option of linked devices. On this page, you will see a list of devices that have access to your WhatsApp account. To remove them, simply just tap on the device that you no longer have access to. Then press on Logout. When logged out, the device will automatically get locked out of your account and won't have the credentials to access your WhatsApp account again. This reduces the risk of impersonation and protecting your personal information from potential breaches. That's how easy it is to remove untrusted devices from your WhatsApp account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.